salamat. Alam ko kahit masama yung pakiramdam mo, but you still,
Yes, of course.
still joined me.
Actually po kasi, I've known Jones po for the longest time since nagkasama kami sa
SOP Party
Party
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas.
Yes.
Party Pilipinas
Party
po po.
Pilipinas.
And if there's one thing that I'm proud to know Jonah about, bukod po sa napakahusay niyang singer, napakabuti po kasing tao nito.
Salamat. Ikaw din naman. Bait.
Kung di niyo po alam kasi si Jones po, mahilig yan
Ano? Ano yan?
magligtas ng mga stray animals, stray cats, stray dogs. Tapos lahat yun, dinadampot ni Jones, tapos binabahay niya sa... Nakita ko kasi yung interview mo with Miss Karen and that means a lot. I mean, ako po, I'd really like to believe that kung ano po yung pinapakita natin sa mga animals sa paligid natin, that basically represents who we are as a person. So, yun nga, despite of medyo feeling under the weather tayo, kasi syempre, sabi ko, paninindigan ko yung promise ko kay Jonalyn.
Inunahan mo naman yung bagyong papasok, Alden.
Alin yung bagyo?
Oo, papasok pa lang yata bukas po ng gabi, no? Inunahan mo.
Mamayang madaling araw.
Oo.
But anyways, Jones, gusto ko lang mag-congratulate sa'yo for all the success. You know, 20 years is no joke. Especially po sa panahon namin ngayon dito sa entertainment industry, for you to be able to stay for 2 decades is no joke. And living testament si Jonalyn because of having a good heart, very talented, hindi nagbabagong i-reinvent ang kanyang sarili para mas maging pleasing and of course masarap pakinggan ang kanyang boses, because I think that's one of the things that we artists should have. Never stop learning, never stop growing, and of course strive for what is best para syempre po hindi kami pagsawaan. And sa lahat po nang nandito ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po for supporting Jonalyn for in her singing career, because I think we should all thank Jonalyn for her gift of voice in the Philippine entertainment industry, because if not for her, hindi nabibigyang kulay ang mga awitin, hindi nabibigyang kulay ang mga theme song ng mga teleserye natin, and of course hindi nabibigyang entertainment ang mga taong pumupunta sa mga concert venues just to showcase and see her voice talent. So maraming salamat po
Alden,
again, Jones.
salamat.